This week we start on top of the magnificent Sustenpass in Switzerland, where we catch the Trift cable car and then hike up to 1700 metres to the amazing Trift Bridge high above the meadows below. Subscribe and come along with us with new videos every Sunday. This morning we've gone back to we camped at the Sustenpass last night and at 2,400 metres, and we've come just down the road. We were on the summit last night. We've just come down the road to the Trift Barn, which is a cable car that takes us up from the valley floor up to 1,400 metres up to the start of the walk, which is the Trift Bridge and the Trift Dam and the glacier at the top. So it's bloody stunning just here. There's a little bit of a dam just there, gushing water, beautiful. So when we get to the top, Kaz behind again. We'll see you there. So if you wanted more information about the Trift Bridge itself is free. Once you've hiked up here, it's not free in sweat because you've got to still hike up here. But it's free to go on once you get up here. You just walk across it and it's pretty cool. The cost is in the gondola, the Trift Barn, but it's 26 Swiss francs return for each, so about 50 Swiss francs. Parking's free at the bottom. You just book the gondola, the Trift Barn on the website. They send you an email and you take the QR code off the email. You don't have to print it, you can just do it off your phone. They scan it and up you go. It's pretty simple really. Little tip though, get here early, get here half an hour early, then you can be first on the gondola. Then you're at the front of the gondola and you can see the best view all the way up and the reverse on the way down. But yes, really easy to book. Really good value for money as well. It's a great hike, and I think you can get up here without it, but man, it would be a ridiculous hike.
Hello, Mr. Sheep. Hello. Hello. Ring the bell.
This is the Trift Bridge. There's the glacier. Fantastic. So we've come across from right down there where the Trift Barn was, and this is Trift Bridge. Pretty impressive. I'm not sure if the video does it justice, but it's pretty special. So when you come across there, I think we're about 1700 meters, I think there. This magic thing is the view you see when you come to the top. We've got the glacier. I think that's the closest we've been to a glacier, isn't it? We've got the glacier up there, and then that feeds this dam, and then this one rushes down to the, I think, the power station at the bottom. Pretty special. What's amazing is you can feel the cold air coming off it as it comes down. It's pretty good. On these Swiss stuff fairs, when you get to the top of these climbs, is that they have little journals and you can write in them, write your name and stuff. There was a pen in there. I think if this was in the UK, these would be stolen. Somebody would steal these. And like people write all their entries when they came up here and things like that. So everybody that comes up, you find a space and you write something in it. Hey you. What did you reckon to that, to the Trift Barn?
Very, 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 very good. Beautiful glacier at the top, really close, and you can literally see it melting. And then the Trift Bridge was a little bit scary at first, but coming back was okay.
It's better going first thing in the morning, isn't it?
Oh yeah, much better. Go first thing in the morning if you're going to do it. Then there's nobody around. The paths are a lot clearer to walk on.
And it's cooler.
And it's cooler. And you haven't got a lot of hustle and bustle, and you pretty much get the bridge to yourself. So, and that's what you want if you want great photos.
Come on, let's go. Onwards and upwards.
Yep, let's go.